Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon. Oh, I said that twice. So anyway, today is Monday, May 5th, 2025 at 14:06. And yes, happy Cinco de Mayo. Today we will be looking at our Day 2 outlook for tomorrow's outlook for the 6th of May. I'm currently filling in for Johnny Thunder EAS and Weather as he is currently in school and is not going to be able to get home until after 6 p.m. this evening. So he's going to have limited time to be able to wind down. So I will be filling in for him for this video. But anyway, today, I will be, tomorrow, oh my gosh, tomorrow, I'm very sorry, I'm still very distracted by a gunshot. Well, not a gunshot, but I popped a chips bag on my other channel that sounded like a gunshot. So I'm still a little bit distracted by that, so I do apologize. But anyway, tomorrow we have a slight risk for parts of Texas and Louisiana, as you can see. And then those same states have a marginal tomorrow, Texas and Louisiana, but it does extend into Oklahoma, a bit of Arkansas, and a bit of Mississippi. We also have this marginal up here in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York State. So now we'll go ahead and see what cities we've got impacted tomorrow. We have Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Arlington under a slight, and San Antonio, New Orleans, Corpus Christi, Baton Rouge, and Laredo under a marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow's risks. Tomorrow we have a 5% tornado risk for Texas and we have parts of Texas and Louisiana under the 5%, and we do have Texas and Louisiana both under a 2%. So, it's raining for me, yay! So anyway, we have Dallas, Austin, Garland, Shreveport, and Irving under a 5%, and Houston, San Antonio, Fort Worth, Arlington, and Plano under the 2%. So for the 5%, we have the potential for EF1, maybe an EF2 tornado possible, but it's more likely EF1. And then the 2% could be the EF0 to EF1 range. So please be mindful that could be a possibility tomorrow. Going into tomorrow's wind risk, we've got a 15% for parts of Texas and Louisiana. Those two states have a 5% also, but it does extend into Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Mississippi. We also have this 5% here for Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York State. So anyway, we have Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Arlington under the 15%, and San Antonio, New Orleans, Corpus Christi, Baton Rouge, and Laredo under the 5%. So for the 15%, you could see damaging wind gusts of 60 to 75 miles per hour possible, and 5% you could see 60 to 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatched. Are we ever going to have a day where we don't have a hatched? We have a 15% hatched for parts of Texas, but a normal 15% for Texas and Louisiana. Those two states do also have the 5%, but it also extends into Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Mississippi. We also have the 5% for Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York. Anyway, we have the Houston, Austin, Pasadena, Killeen, and Round Rock under the significant severe. Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Arlington under the 15%. And San Antonio, New Orleans, Corpus Christi, Baton Rouge, and Laredo under the 5%. So, for the 15% hatch, we could see 2 to 4 inch hail tomorrow, or maybe 1 to 3 inch, 1 to 3.5 inch, 15% you could see 1 to 2 inch hail possible, and then the 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch hail possible. So please be mindful that could be a possibility for you tomorrow. Going into the summary for tomorrow, severe thunderstorms are possible from portions of the southern plains into the lower Mississippi Valley on Tuesday. Severe winds, large to very large hail, and a few tornadoes are possible. Additional isolated strong to severe storms capable of large hail and isolated wind damage are possible within parts of the northern mid-Atlantic states. So there you have it. There is the summary for tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's Day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. Again, prepare for tomorrow. take today to prepare for tomorrow, and stay weather aware and stay safe. Again, I was filling in for Johnny Thunder, EAS, and weather as he is currently at school, so he can't be home until after 6 p.m. But anyway, that's going to be it for me. Hope you stay weather aware and stay safe. Take today to prepare. Take care, everyone.